Here's a quick PSA for anyone who needs it. You do not need the perfect camera and perfect lighting setup to start vlogging or start creating your YouTube content. You just need your phone, which I'm currently using. You need natural lighting near some sort of window in your house or in your apartment. The end. Okay, a couple more things, but they're all free and you can start right now. After you watch this video, go ahead and start creating your content, all right? Even if you don't have the perfect lighting, you just need to go ahead and start. When you first start, nothing will be perfect and it shouldn't be perfect. The point is, you need to just start. And your phone comes with audio already. You don't have to, if you want to, you can get a Rode mic, but when you're just starting out, use your phone. And you need free editing software. I'm going to leave a list of them in the description box, so make sure you check them out. But there are plenty of free editing software that you can use. Lots of phones now even film in 4K. Grab your phone, go outside, create your good content and brand strategy. So I think a major thing for a lot of people who are thinking about or have recently started YouTube content creation or vlogging is the fact that they are shy on camera. So I think a thing for me for the longest time was I was very nervous about showing up on camera because I have a stammer. So I was very nervous about creating content where I would essentially be showing a major insecurity for me. But I got over that through practice. Again, be like Nike and just do it, just get started. But it took me such a long time to get over that fear, I went through speech therapy as well as mental health therapy to help me work through that, right? So whatever you have to do to sort of work through that, I say go ahead and start that. But if you have insecurities with showing up, with showing your face and, showing your voice, whether it's a speech impediment like me, whether you have some sort of physical thing about you that you're insecure about, whatever it is, whatever that's sort of keeping you from showing up on camera and you really want to create content and you really want to start vlogging, I will say work with your insecurities, right? So when I first started and I was really insecure about my speech impediment, I used to edit meticulously. So it's funny now because I don't do it anymore, but I used to edit sort of every speech block, and my videos were very choppy. Nowadays, I leave my stammers in. I'm just like, you know what? If folks find the content valuable, they'll stay for the content. They'll see my stammer and sort of shrug it off. And if someone wants to sort of make fun of me for that or wants to point out my insecurity, let them. Because people will be assholes. Like, people will be mean regardless. Like, you could be flawless like Beyonce is, right? You could be flawless and people will still have something negative to say about you. So accept that fact. Accept that, you could be absolutely perfect and people will still have something to say about you because people were just people, So if you have some insecurity about showing up on camera, I will not tell you to sort of suppress it, right? I would say work with your insecurities. Find ways to work with it. Find ways to alleviate the pain that comes with that insecurity, okay? So whether you're editing out your speech blocks or whether you have on a ton of makeup to hide some sort of physical insecurity, whether you're, using some sort of lighting, whatever it is, work with it, okay? Work with it until you overcome that insecurity. And you can only overcome it once you start practicing, once you start start on camera, welcome back to my channel, start saying that, Start saying that every day, and start showing up on camera, and start, you might in fact film a couple of pieces of content and then edit them and just watch them. Okay. Just watch them and just see how you feel about sort of looking at yourself and watching yourself. It can be very uncomfortable watching yourself and editing yourself every day and every week. It can be a little bit of a mind fuck, a little bit of a like mental loop. But again, through practice, you overcome that and you get used to that. So you get used to seeing yourself and sort of watching myself and watching how I speak, watching my little quirks, okay, has helped me with my own personal improvement. It has helped me become more confident. Actually, it has helped me with so many areas of my life, but especially with my excuse me, especially with my confidence. Now, when I sort of stammer, I don't like tense up and freak out and feel so horrible about myself like I used to. Now I just be like, okay, that happened. I messed up a little bit, and I just move on. I continue on. That was a multi-year emotional process for me, but it all started with me starting. So I would say, yeah, be like Nike and just get started. I wouldn't say like suppress your insecurity and suppress how you feel and just get over with. I wouldn't say just get over it and whatever. No. Recognize the insecurity, recognize how it makes you feel, recognize all of those things and work with it, work through it. And I promise you, it will get better. You will get more confident on camera. It will happen. So I have a little vlog challenge for you, okay? If you've been sitting on your channel idea, if you've been sitting on a couple of videos and you're not sure if you should start, if you're not sure about whatever, my challenge to you is to finish this video first, okay? And make sure you like it and subscribe and all of the good stuff. Once you do that, go ahead and start your channel right now. And once you start your channel, comment your channel link in the comments of this video, and I will check out your channel, okay? And I might leave a little comment critiquing a couple of things that I see. No, it will be all positive stuff because I'm here to support you on your YouTube journey, but I can't support you if you don't start, okay? I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, let me know by liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. All right? Bye now.